Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail from vodka, full guide. Start by picking a good neutral vodka and chilling it well, then gather fresh mixers, citrus, and simple syrup. Use a jigger for accurate pours and taste as you go to adjust sweetness and strength. I'll walk you through classic recipes, quick variations, and garnish tips so you can make bar-quality vodka cocktails at home with confidence. In this video, I will show how to make cocktail from vodka, full guide. Keep a shaker, jigger, and strainer handy, and use fresh citrus and a reliable mixer like tonic or soda. Ice quality matters. Use clear ice if possible for slower dilution. I'll explain technique for shaking versus stirring, how long to chill a drink, and simple swaps to customize sweetness, strength, and texture for every occasion. In this video, I will show how to make cocktail from vodka, full guide. Quick recommendation. On another note, grab a Kindle Paperwhite to stash all your cocktail recipes and sip notes in one place, perfect for making drinks without smudged pages. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make cocktail from vodka, full guide. We'll cover staples like the Cosmopolitan, Bloody Mary, and vodka martini with step-by-step measurements and garnish tips. I'll suggest quick variations to suit different tastes, including low sugar and citrus-forward options. Follow along as I demonstrate build order, shaking technique, and finishing touches so you can recreate each classic with confidence and a personal twist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.